So we want to see, is it an uptrend, a downtrend, or a ranging market? So I want to show you in simple terms what is a ranging market. So let's first remove these indicators. So I want you to see the chart clearly. That's why I'm removing the indicators and the trend lines. So now our chart is clean. So this is our chart in MT4 for gold spot. So if you want to say a market is in a range or a ranging market, it seems that it is bound in a certain level. For example, we can say this is a ranging market. This part, there is a part that I want to show you. So from here to here, so this part we can say it is ranging. For example, it is like following a certain rule, like it is going up down up down up down. So these are ranging market. And then what is a downtrend? So a downtrend market is a market that slopes from up to down. So a little bit I'll show you. So when we can say it is a downtrend, you can see from here. So when the market slopes downward like this, we can say it is downtrend up to this part. So when a market goes up, for example this way, it is an uptrend. So the other one is a downtrend and this one is an uptrend. The market is going up. What about a choppy market? So a little bit I want to show you a choppy market. So a choppy market looks like this. So you see this part, small ranges makes up a choppy market because it is a market that you cannot trade. So guys, that is just for today. I was just to show you the structures of a downtrend, uptrend and choppy market.